A password is to be made up using the format XXXYYY, where X represents any digits from 0 to 9, Y represents any letters of the alphabet. How many different passwords can be formed in each of the following cases? Number A, start with number A. So we have 5 spaces all in all, but we are going to divide them such that 2 of them represents letters. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3. This is for digits. And then we have 1, 2, which is for alphabets. Okay. The digits, digits may be repeated as well as the letters may be repeated. How many letters do we have?
26.
Letters, we have 26. And then numbers we saw, how many do we have?
10.
We have 10 digits. So we're going to put 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 26, multiplied by what? By 26. 10 multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10, it's the answer that we get all in all. It's 6, 7, 6, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2. Ne? Okay. The digits may not be repeated, including the letters of the alphabet. So we are not repeating the letters, we're also not repeating the alphabet. So this was number A. We're repeating all of them. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2 for the letters. So for the digits, we're going to start with what? 10. After that, we have 9. After that, we have what? 8. 26, 25. And then what is this one? 468,000. Sharp. Now, they say the digits and the letters may be repeated, but the number 0 and the vowels must be excluded. Can I vowels in what? So how many vowels do we have?
5.
We have 5 vowels. They say which we can repeat, but we need to exclude certain things. Who are we excluding in this participation? 0.
Yes.
So if we exclude 0, how many digits are we going to remain with? Okay, so we have C, 1, 2, 3. We have 9 multiplied by 9. Repetition is allowed. Multiplied by 9. Multiplied by 21, multiplied by 21. And then if you do that, what do you get? It's 3, 3, 1, 20. 321. 489.
Yes.
Comma.
Nothing.
It's finance maths. As soon as you speak about Obama 300, I think about man. All right, the digits and the letters may be repeated. This one may not. Oh, the digits and the letters may not be repeated, and the number 0 must, and the number 0 and the vowels must be excluded.
Yes.
Okay, that's number D. Number D, we have 1, 2, 3. Ne? 1, 2. So this one is 9. Ne? Multiplied by 8, 7. And then we have 21 multiplied by 20.
Yes.
1, 2. They say repetition is not allowed.
Yes.
The letters and the alphabets may not be repeated. Number E, the digits may be repeated. So we're allowed to repeat the digits.
You're not done.
Number
D.
Oh, number D, we're not done. Okay, what should be our answer?
238,000.
2,
11.
1, 1,
608.
6,
8.
8, 0. Okay. The digits may be repeated, but must be prime numbers. And the letters may be repeated, excluding the 5 and the first 5 letters and the last 5 letters. So all in all, how many letters are we removing? We're removing 10 letters. So we are removing A, B, C, D, E. And then we're repeating, we're excluding V, W, X, Y, Z. All in all, if we remove those ones, we're going to be remaining with what? 16? 16 letters. Okay, let's start with the one of prime. We have 0 up until to 9. From 0 up until to 9. Let's talk about what are prime numbers. A number is a number which is divisible by 1. And then there's always a debate whether 1 is a prime number. What did you say? Did you consider 1 a prime?
No.
Because 1, it's 1 and 1.
1 and 1. It's 1.
I don't know, Mara. Let's start by taking 1 not as a prime number. It's fine.
It's not.
It's not a prime number.
Yes.
Okay. So if it's not a prime number, how many numbers can we choose from which are prime? We have 2. It's 3. So we have 2.
3, 5, 7.
Let's write the prime numbers. We have 2, 3, 5. So how many numbers can we choose from? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. No?
Yes.
Repetition is not is allowed. Again, we're also going to have what? 4. Again, we're going to have what? 4. Multiply by 16. Multiply by 16. 16,000? 284. 1, 2, 1, 2. All in all, you can give yourself a mark out of 8.